If you are born poor, it's not your mistake. But if you die poor, it's your mistake. I heard it many a time, but I couldn't realize this. I think you all might have heard this statement, right? But we need to understand the statement so deeply. If we understand it, we can change our life. Because if we born poor, it is not our mistake, because due to some situations or conditions or family, society, whatever makes us. But there are chances to take the charge of our life, to win, to do whatever we want in your life. You can be rich and die rich. Who wants to die poor? Do you want to die poor? I don't want to die poor. Everyone wants to live a rich life, right? So poor is a mindset. It's not a person, it's an attitude. You can change your attitude. Poor attitude comes with the mindset fear. When you are fear of doing something, when you are fear of not having something, lacking, then you are poor. Understand your patterns of fear. See where you are, poor or rich. Take the charge of your life and move ahead. And if you really feel that to move forward, and if you are feeling stuck and you need someone to take you to your level, where I feel like that and I got this opportunity, the platform where I'm standing now and I'm talking to you and I'm sharing my learnings with you all. You also should take the chance to come on this platform, come this side, and you also can share your learnings, your transformation to the world. So it helps many people to understand it. I hope you all like my video. Please share and subscribe my video. Thank you.